One of the solutions to maintain proper quality of tap water is to apply ring installation. The module allows to connect water distribution pipes in the apartments into rings. To eliminate stagnation of water in last sections of pipe runs, special T-fittings can be also applied. This additional feature allows to calculate how much time is needed to obtain certain temperature of hot water in indicated faucets of the installation. Program calculates accordingly flow of the water in both sides of ring connection. Mixing valve allows to mix hot water with cold water to reduce temperature ahead of faucets. Program calculates required flows of hot and cold water to obtain required temperature.